What's up everybody? If you're new to the channel, my name is Austin and welcome to the Power Stoke channel. Thank you for watching. I have a pretty cool video for you guys this week. Last week I asked if I should paint the grill black or white, and I'm going to tally up those votes for you. But before I do that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, hit that little bell so you get notifications, so you get an update every time I upload. Alright you guys, so I'm going to scroll through the comments right in front of you so you can see, to make sure I'm not cheating it, and I can keep tally of the black and white counts so we can figure out which color the grill is going to be. Alright, so we got black, 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 black. Ooh, we got primary white, so I'll count that as a white. White, white. Let's see. White and black, I'll count that as white. Let's see here. Oh yeah. Thank you, Hooked on Diesel. I'm actually going to start calling you guys that. I like that a lot. Power Stoke Nation. What do you guys think? Put a comment down below on what you guys think. White, white, and white. So, I think we know what the winner is here, guys. I'm thinking white is the winner. All right, with that now being said, I need to get some white paint for the truck so I can paint that grill to match the exact truck color, which is Oxford white. So I'm going to have to go to a couple of stores and I'm going to bring you guys along with me. Like always, guys, I swear I fill it up. I swear we're back on E. This thing guzzles through diesel. I don't know if you guys can see the diesel price sign over there, but it's $3.29 a gallon here. In Oregon, you're not allowed to pump your own gas. You can pump your own diesel, but I had cash, so I wasn't allowed to. So basically what I do is with a card, I just hop out and pay, but I don't have my card with me, I just have my cash. So I just hand it to the attendant and let them do it. It's kind of nice, but you know, it's really not that hard to pump your own fuel. All right guys, and just like that, we're off. Weird. This is the only black they have in gloss. Alright guys, and just like that, we're at my parents' house. Let's get started. Alright guys, and just like that, we're at my parents' house. Let's get started. Alright, with Garrett's help here. So you pull off these 4 screws. I know I showed you guys this last video, but I figured I'd try to do a little bit better job at it because I didn't really explain it that well. So you'll pull off these 4 screws as he's done here, and then we'll come down here with a flat blade screwdriver, and there's these little tabs, and they're a pain in the butt. They're not as easy as I thought they would be. But all you do is you pry on them. I'll show you guys, and they pop right off.
Got it, yay!
All right, so what you do is you pry up on this bottom piece here, and you pull the grill out, and it pops out pretty easy.
All right, let's do the same piece.
It's just a little bit of a fight, as you guys can see. So here you go. You pry on the bottom, pull the grill, pops right out. All right, guys, the grill is off. Thank you, Garrett. Let's get to painting. All right guys, so I got a little ahead of myself. I'm kind of fighting weather here. It's getting pretty cloudy and there's just some dark clouds, so it might start raining. Pulled off the 3rd brake light. This thing has been driving me nuts. Can you guys see that? The black on these 2 LEDs right here? I don't know why it's like that. It's been like that since I purchased it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tint this with that nightshade crap. It's not something that I recommend doing if you want to keep something nice, but this was 25 bucks on Amazon and it drives me nuts. I hate it. So I'm masking that off. We're going to paint that. And then the grill, I'm about to mask off, and we're going to put the white on first, so that way there's not a black background, so it doesn't make it harder to paint it white. Alright guys, this is about how Oregon works. Got it masked off, took about an hour, and it decided to start raining on us. So sadly I will not be painting the grill today. I'll have to wait until tomorrow. I'm really bummed about it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Just kidding. I'm gonna go through with this for you guys because you know what, you guys deserve this. We set up the awning with the awesome tarp bottom here on the grass so all the overspray doesn't get on the concrete. Pretty sweet, right? So we're gonna get to painting this grill, and I'm tinting a taillight because I showed you guys earlier, it's that ugly chrome. I think this will look a whole lot better up there instead of that chrome piece that had some black in it. All right guys, and with the paint drying, I wanted to show you guys something a little special. So these are some things I'm thinking about making. This is a hat. We got a t-shirt with the PS that says Power Stoked, and then a hoodie. What do you guys think? Those are just kind of in the works right now. What do you guys think? Would you buy that stuff if I had it ordered, or should I just hold off for a little while? What I'm thinking is I'm gonna make one off. I'm gonna get one of each, and I'll wear them in the videos and see what you guys think. And then if you guys give me enough demand for them, I'll put them into production and I'll start selling them to you guys. All right guys, the first coat is on. Where it's blue is where it's gonna be black, and I'm really contemplating painting this middle part black. Obviously you guys will see the finished product at the end of the video. I'm kind of contemplating going back and forth between those two, and that'll affect my badge color choice as well because I'm going to order a new badge for this truck. So I really want to thank you guys so much for all the support that you guys continually give me. I mean, it is a constant growing channel. There's never a dull moment. There's always comments, there's always likes, there's always new views on the channel, and you guys are sharing it like crazy, and I cannot thank you guys enough. Seriously, you guys are so awesome. There's so many of you out there. There's 800 almost. That's insane to me. 800 people I've reached out to and now I'm talking to and showing my modded truck to and showing them the build. I can't wait for the days where it's a big channel and I can finally drive across the country, go to different truck meets and meet you guys, maybe Ocean City truck meet, stuff like that, just to meet some of my subscribers and go travel around. That'd be a lot of fun. All right guys, it might be hard for you guys to tell, but it's starting to get dark here. I'm running out of daylight. I don't have enough time to finish up the grill, so I'm gonna wrap it up for today. We're gonna come back, attack and get the black put on there, get the badge put back on and throw it on the truck. Also throw some clear on there, obviously. So I'm gonna have to end it here for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. So it's day 2 of the grill painting. We are headed up to my parents' house right now. I've got about 2 hours before cars and coffee. I'm gonna see if I can get the grill done in time to make it. If I don't make it today, I will go next month. It's always the last Sunday of every month. And I'll try to go next month if I don't go today to get you guys some good shots of it. Today is kind of looking really nasty out. I don't really want to go walk around in the rain, nasty, looking at cars. I mean, I love them, but something about being soaking wet looking at it, that's no fun. All right, guys, so we got up early. We came over to my parents' house. As you saw, I showed you guys me leaving. We threw a couple coats of paint on the grill. This is definitely not the finished product, but it's pretty close. The black on the ends, the black Ford badge, the white grill. It needs clear coat. That's why it doesn't match perfectly yet. So we're gonna do that. It'll look pretty good that way. So now we're gonna head to Cars and Coffee. That's why I'm kind of in a rush right now and I don't have clear coat on the grill yet and it's on the truck. We're gonna run to Cars and Coffee, get some cool shots there, then we're gonna head back and finish up this grill. Here's our little arsenal, the Power Stroke, the ZX6R and the Mazda Speed 3. Looking pretty good out here. My favorite so far is these 2 Evos. There's some mega cabs over there that I'm gonna go check out here in a minute. This is his and hers mega cabs. Should I get Sierra? This is Power Stroke to Power Stroke. What do you guys think? Look at this. These things are mean. Same wheels, same lip. Man, this one's got pink D-rings. They're exactly the same. They're literally twin trucks. That is awesome. So we just got back from Cars and Coffee, you guys. The grill needs to be finished up, but it's starting to get nasty. I know it's sunny right now, but if you look, we got some really dark thunder clouds coming in. It's not gonna be a good day to finish up the grill. So I'm gonna come back next week, do a clear coat on it. I'll show you guys the complete finished product, but for now, here's what it looks like. I like it a lot. I'm thinking about getting a Power Stoke decal made, putting it on the badge here. I think that'll be pretty sharp looking. I got some cool shots of Cars and Coffee. There really wasn't that much there that I really enjoyed, but if you guys want to see more stuff, there's a lot of Hondas and stuff. That's just not my forte. There's a lot of trucks. There's some pretty cool stuff. I mean, the Evos are definitely one of my favorites, so I filmed those. If you guys want to see more stuff like that, comment below and I'll try to get some better shots next time. So seriously guys, thank you guys so much for watching. We are at almost 800 subscribers. Once we hit that 1,000, this channel is going to start taking off and big things are going to be happening. In the next few months, there's going to be some pretty big cosmetic upgrades to the truck. It's going to make it look a lot better and more unique and towards my taste, and I'm very excited for that. So please stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.